Giordano Poultry Plast is a leading company at a worldwide level in the field of plastic equipment for the avicultural industry. It was founded at the beginning of the 60s at Coralio, a small town situated at the feet of Vallegrana in the province of Cuneo, where, notwithstanding the notable expansion of its production, it still has its head office and factory covering an area of approximately 10,000 square meters. Giordano Poultry Plast offers a catalogue containing a vast range of products, designed and manufactured to follow the life of a chicken from when it is a chick, still inside the egg, immediately after it hatches, and then for the whole of its life cycle until freezing and distribution to supermarkets. As a result, Giordano Poultry Plast products meet over 90% of the needs of a poultry farm's life cycle. The company's highly equipped production departments are capable of supplying up to 2,000 cages for live chicken transportation daily, with an annual production that presently numbers about 200,000 pieces. To these are added a further 150,000 various boxes, over 300,000 circular drinking troughs, and about 500,000 drop troughs. Giordano Poultry Plast products are now used in almost every country in the world and are very highly appreciated also for their great practicality in transport. In fact, one of the characteristics that make the Caragliese company a market leader is the production of articles particularly suitable for small volume packing. This is achieved thanks to simple joint mechanisms, which allow a notable reduction in the space occupied by the finished product with surprising results. For example, a 20-foot, 30 cubic meter container can hold up to 700 transport cages, compared with the 200 packed in the traditional manner. But the fundamental element that distinguishes Giordano Poultry Plast production is, without doubt, the high quality level of the materials used in production. Quality control is considered fundamental in every sector of the company, as is the use of advanced technology and machines that are constantly updated. Giordano Poultry Plast products are born from a granular compound consisting of 70% HD polyethylene and 30% copolymer polypropylene, which arrives at the company in cisterns and through the use of silos is fed directly into the production plant. Here the plastic is heated and, through an injection system, enters the molds where it takes on its final shape. After a brief cooling period, the product is already ready for control and storing by the machine operator. This method guarantees the maximum production efficiency and the long life of the materials. All Giordano Poultry Plast products are resistant to the disinfectants used in washing, as well as high or low temperatures. They are also treated with a special stabilizer that protects against ultraviolet rays, thus considerably reducing the damage caused by exposure to sunlight. Both for article production and maintenance of the sophisticated equipment, Giordano Poultry Plast calls upon specialist technicians that make up part of the company. These are continually involved in both improving the articles already present on the market and the design of new products, aimed at satisfying the customer's ever greater needs. This is a mission that Giordano Poultry Plast carries out and honours with the maximum commitment of over 40 years that attests to it being one of the sector's most avant-garde companies at an international level. The high level of efficiency, thanks to notable and constant investment in technologically advanced equipment, has enabled the company to successfully export its products to every continent, reaching a turnover that currently hovers around €7,800,000 per year. This is an extremely interesting result, especially if one considers that the company only has a workforce of 30, 26 workers, technicians and designers, 4 office workers, and 1 executive. Giordano Poultry Plast production covers a wide range of articles for the aviculture industry, and in addition to containers for the transport of live chickens offered in various models, fixed or dismountable, with 1, 2 or 4 compartments and a central opening for better ventilation during travel, the range also includes several models of fixed perch, feed boxes of various sizes, and a complete range of automatic and manual drinking troughs, specifically for chickens, turkeys, and other animal species.
If you understand, you can discover that you understand the meaning of love. If you understand that now it's over.
Now, after having reached an important objective with the drop trough, suitable for watering the chickens from birth to adulthood, Giordano Poultry Plast has finalized the 3rd generation drinking trough called Pentadrink. This is an absolutely innovative product in that it is equipped with 5 interchangeable cups that can be used for the watering of chickens, ducks and turkeys. And thanks to a strong and capillary sales network present on the market for over 30 years, this new product is also sure to have enormous success worldwide.
Understand, you can discover that you understand the meaning of love. If you understand that now it's over, you will understand what happened to love. If you understand, I want you tonight. You will understand. You want me tonight. If you understand, we understand. So I understand, and you understand.
Giordano Poultry Plast is also present in an important group operating in the large-scale retail trade. Cooperation with this has led to its manufacture of several models of supermarket trolleys. When it comes to the plastic materials used in the production of these trolleys, Giordano Poultry Plast can vaunt the valuable cooperation of the multinational buyer that has specially created a special polyamide that is not only particularly resistant to impact, but also has other characteristics that are superior to normal metal wire.
It's your love coming out from your hands. Stay with me. Stay with me.
Presently, Giordano Poultry Plast is putting the finishing touches on a project for the construction of a new mould that will lead to a new plastic container for the transport of live chickens that will be over 1,400 square centimeters in size, allowing the company to compete with its major competitors.